Hi, I'm Sherilyn, and today I'll be demonstrating how to replace a door handle on a Maytag refrigerator. You may need to replace your door handle if yours is damaged. This repair should only take about 5 minutes. For this repair, we're only going to need one tool, and that's an Allen wrench. Open the door handle you want to replace. Using an Allen wrench or an 1/8" hex head, loosen the screws on the handles at the top and bottom. Once both screws have been loosened, you can lift the handle off the door. And we can replace it. Once you have your new handle, make sure the screws are towards the inside of the door and set the handle on the knobs and then tighten down the screws. And we can close the door. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this helpful. Be sure to check out our website if you need any of the OEM parts or tools that you saw in the video. We believe that the everyday person is completely capable of cheap and easy appliance repair. So please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and maybe even show this video to a friend in need.